Here's how you can master the video scopes in DaVinci Resolve 20. So first, you need to learn how to read the scopes in DaVinci Resolve. So in this one, I'll show you how to do it. So typically, you can find the scopes located in the bottom right corner of the screen on a single monitor setup. And if you don't see them, simply just click the scopes icon, which looks like a graph, and on dual monitor setups, the scopes will appear on the second screen. You can also open them as a separate window via the workspace, video scopes, and then go to on and position them as needed, and keep them as large as possible for accurate readings. So they have different scopes. We have here the histogram, one of the most basic yet essential tools for assessing exposure in your footage. Then we have here the waveform. So for the waveform, the scope is a more detailed tool and not only measures the brightness levels like the histogram, but also shows where the specific brightness levels occurs across the image. Then we have here another feature, which is the parade. So for the parade, it's a more advanced version of the waveform score, and it separates the images like the red, green, and blue, or what you call the RGB, and like the waveform, it arranges the pixel brightness from 0 to 100. Then we have here, lastly, is the vectorscope. So for vectorscopes is a vital tool for assessing color and saturation in your footage. It displays the colors arranged around a circular graph with the center representing your zero saturation. So how do you really master this? So first, in order to master these, you need to understand each one and what type to use on depending on your images or your videos. And by doing so, by keep editing and just keep using them, keep experimenting, you'll be able to master all those scopes in DaVinci Resolve 20. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications